Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how to do another type of length check using Kotlin. So this is part 2 of a very short series of length checks. Click the eye up in the corner and you will see part 1, as this is a direct follow-up. So let's get right into it. So basically a length check is checking if the length of an input is greater than a value, less than a value, equal to a value, or not equal to a value, or within a range of values. And today we're going to be checking if it's greater than or equal to a value, or less than or equal to a value. So let's get right into it. So we have got val user input equals Jeff. This is going to be the variable that represents user input. This tutorial is going to teach you how to validate user input, not how to get it. And then we're going to do print line, length check, user input, and 5. Don't worry, this will make sense in 1 second. So this is going to be the function we're going to write. It's called fun because functions are fun. No, I'm joking. I think it's just short for function, but I like to think that they're fun. And it's going to be called length check. The first parameter is going to be called input, and then you do a colon, and then do string because it's going to be a string. And then the second parameter is going to be called len. You do a colon, and then you do int because it's going to be an integer. Then you do another colon, and then do boolean because this function is going to return a boolean. Then you do a curly bracket, and on the next line you do return input.length is greater than or equal to len. So what's going on here? Return is going to return a value to whatever the function is called. In this case, on this line of code with the print line statement. Input.length is basically going to get the length of a string. So input is the string, and then .length will literally get the length. And since in this example we have a string and it's got Jeff as its value, this would become 4. And then we'd be checking if 4 is greater than or equal to len, which in this case would be 5. So 4 is not greater than or equal to len, so this whole statement becomes a false, and then this false will get returned to wherever we call the function. But let's say we did Jeffy with a y, then we're going to be checking if 5 is greater than or equal to 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5 because it's equal to 5. Therefore, this returns a true, so this print statement would print true. If we did Jeffy with an IE, then it's going to be 6 greater than or equal to 5. Well, 6 is greater than 5, therefore this becomes a true and we print true. That's basically how this works, so we're going to hit save and then hit play. And it says true because 6 is greater than 5. If we do a Y, it also says true. If we do just Jeff without anything after, it becomes false. Now you can obviously change this around. You can do less than or equal to len. So let's say it's going to be 3. If we were to hit play, it would become false because 4 is greater than 3. But if we were to do Jeff with 1F, it would become true because 3 is equal to 3. And then if we do JE, it's also true because 2 is less than or equal to 3. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials.